to find the measure of different angles with the help of protractor. Suppose we have to find out the measure of this angle. We have to focus on the starting point, as we have learned that angle is the rotation of ray from initial point, that is the starting point, from starting point to the another point. Here there are many rays coming from point O. Okay, there are many rays coming from point O. So we have to find out the rotation of this ray from this point till this point. For this, we will take the initial point. The initial point we have to take start from 0. This is 0 on the scale. This is 10, 20 and 25 degrees. That means angle WOV is equal to 25 degrees. Similarly, when we have to measure the angle given, that is VOW, we have to again focus on the starting point. The starting point of this angle is OV. Okay, we will start the rotation of this. This ray will start from its position from here and we'll reach till OU. Okay, OV is the initial point and it will reach at point OU. Okay, so we have to check how much rotation it has taken, or how much degree it has moved. For that, again we will start measuring from point OV. OV is the starting point. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35 and 40. So it has covered 40 degrees. Angle UOV is 40 degrees. Similarly, let us start from another point. Okay? If we have to measure this angle now, if we want to measure angle POW, we will consider the initial ray starting from point OP and moving towards OQ, or we can consider OQ as the starting point, that is the initial point, and the movement of ray is towards OP. To measure this, we will start, this is 0. We can say this is 0, or simply we can start counting. So this is 5 and this is 10 more, 15 degrees. So angle POQ is 15 degrees. Next, let us measure angle QOR or ROQ. So we will focus on the starting point. Either we can take OR as the starting ray or OQ as the starting ray. We have to check how much degrees has it moved from line or from its initial point to OR. Again, this is 5, 15, 25 and 30. So this is 30 degrees. Angle QOR is 30 degrees. Let us find out the measure for angle ROS. Again, we will focus on the starting initial ray. So this is the initial point and it is moving to initial ray starting point, and this is moving towards OS. OR से शुरू होके it is moving towards OS, or we can also say OS से शुरू होके it is, so I have to take initial point accordingly. Okay, for this again there are reading 5, 10, 25 and 30. Angle ROS is 30 degrees. Measure of angle SOT. To this again 5, 10, 15 and 20. So this is 20 degrees. Measure of angle SOT is 20 degrees. Measure of angle TOW is, again we will focus on the starting point. This is the starting point and we will move, अगर हम इसको starting point लेते हैं, we will move towards here. ठीक है? So this is 5, 10, 15, 20 degrees. So angle TOU is also 20 degrees. Now the sum total of these angles should be 180 degrees. Okay, this proves that PW, okay, you can see PW over here. This is P, this is P, and this is W. So this is a line segment, or we can say this is a line. PW is a line because a straight angle, okay, the two lines moving exactly in opposite, the two lines exactly on opposite direction, okay, the measure of these lines is 180 degree. So all the angles lying on the straight line sums up to 180 degrees, and it proves that PW is a straight line.